Now that I've got your attention, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel. 80% of you guys that watch my videos aren't even subscribed. At 100,000, we're giving a bike away just like this. You might be the lucky subscriber, so hit that button. You don't want to miss out. All right, let's get back to the video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Got an exciting one for you. We've got a YZ450FX big wheel getting installed. We're getting the camera set up, so let's enjoy the time-lapse footage.
You stole my line. That was just rude. But welcome back.
Well, dude, we haven't done a video in a while. I'm a little rusty.
It's been a while.
It's been a couple weeks, so let's get into it.
Busy with other things.
Yeah, we've just been a little busy. It's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and say this is probably the bike Yamaha should have built. We should have did this thing a long time ago. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking in this video, guys. I'm just super pumped on this 2021 Yamaha YZ450FX. This big wheel turned out unbelievable. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. Let's check it out. Now, many of you guys might have grew up riding the BW80, the 200, and of course the awesome 350. This is our version of that. So this is a modern day 450, all modern suspension, electric start. This bike is freaking awesome. So this all starts off with wider triple clamps. So this stuff's CNC machined in-house in the USA. Goes down to our billet hub, custom 12-inch wheel. It's built for this big wheel kit. Now, of course, the rear end, you guys are wondering, how do we get this chain to go around this wide tire? Completely custom swing arm, fully fabricated, billet rear hub. It actually goes right up to a jack shaft. You guys can see how we're kicking the chain over and coming back. Now, guys, on this model, I always get a lot of questions about, is the kickstand gonna work? We're working on adding kickstands to all the models. So right now, we've got this custom bracket to go with the OEM kickstand. So instead of using this location, it's relocated out here so that when it's folded up, it does clear the swing arm. Our customer did choose to add a headlight. We've got a nice deep purplish blue powder coat on here to actually match the wheels. Actually really nice in the sun. Now, a lot of you guys ask about what fenders we run. This is actually an old school 86 200X front fender from Mayer. So we order these in bulk to get them in custom colors. Very close to the OE YZ color. If you guys have any questions about this bike right here, head over to bbcbigwheels.com. Shoot us an email, comment on this video, get a hold of us. We have full kits available for a handful of bikes, everything from the YZ450 to the 450, a bunch of Hondas. There's tons of stuff going on the website right now. Our goal for 2023 is to actually double the amount of bikes that we build kits for, so stay tuned to that website. If you guys haven't yet, sign up for the email list. We send updates out usually once a month and let you guys know where we're at. If you guys enjoy builds like this, you want to see more riding content in the future on these, let me know. I'm going to insert some links at the end of this video where you guys can see a full motocross test of a CRF 450R that was a very similar build to this. All right, guys, chest cam time. I'm going to take you for a ride and show you what it looks like to rip a big wheel. We're just going down the street. I wish I had a backyard track here. I don't, but we're going to go up and down the road and give this thing a little shakedown, get it all warmed up, and do a bolt check. A lot of guys ask how fast these are with the big tires, and guys, honestly, they still haul ass to 450. This thing still hauls ass. Everyone's always wondering, are they slow? No, they're not slow. It's wrong how fast it is as a big wheel, honestly.
Looks like it handles really well.
Yeah, I mean, I'm riding on the street, but just riding all of them and being used to them. I mean, this thing feels super nimble. Definitely a fan of this new Yamaha chassis.